Mustafa.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Okay. Has everyone joined in? Okay. Mustafa, how are you feeling now? Mustafa, you were not well, right?
I'm feeling good.
You are feeling good. Okay. Are you in Aurangabad, Mustafa? Enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Ah, that's nice. Where are you staying in Aurangabad, Mustafa?
Means
Uh, means like in whose house you are staying?
my my nanny's house.
Nani's house. That's nice. So are you having fun, Mustafa?
Yes.
6, 7, 8, 9. Three more days. Three more days. 9, no? Musfira, both Musfira are missing. Okay. Manha, Mustafa, Umaima, can you turn on your screen, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So today, what are we going to do? What session do we have? Do you know that?
Slip reading.
Huh? Yes?
Slip reading.
Manha, I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Slip reading.
Flipping bin. Still, I didn't get Manha. Okay, that's all right. Manha, if you could just turn on the screen, at least I could
Ma'am,
see
I
you.
can't see you.
You can't see me? Umaima, even I can't
Yeah,
see
now
your
I can
screen.
see you.
Umaima, even I can't see your screen. Oh, Manha, there she is. Okay, okay. Umaima, I can see. Do you know where I was before this? Umaima, can you guess?
Yes, and right. And
Yes.
right.
And do you know what I did with the rice?
Yes, make a helium balloon.
Yes. But I did not make helium balloon with them. I made carbon dioxide balloon.
Oh,
Okay.
carbon dioxide.
Yes, I made carbon dioxide. Helium balloon was specially for my Curie. Okay. And Umar, please turn on your screen, Umar. Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, how are you? Khadija, do you have any idea what are we going to do today? Zainab, do you have any idea?
Yes.
Tell me.
Huh?
Tell me, Khadija.
Reading.
We are going
Reading.
to read.
Read.
But do you know today somebody else is going to read for you all, okay?
Yes.
Somebody else? Yes. We have guest today who is going to read a nice, beautiful, lovely
Bali.
story for you all.
Miss Bali. Ma'am.
Miss Bali, who said that? Who said it? Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Manha.
We will do Kahoot also, na?
No, not today. We will not do Kahoot today. In maybe next time.
So you give that game.
Yes.
You give that game.
We will definitely. Oh, we have our Misbah ma'am today with us. Yes, Misbah ma'am.
Hello, good morning to all of you.
Good morning. Please, can we shout and scream? Good morning,
Hi, all of you.
ma'am. Would you like to introduce yourself to the kids?
Yes, definitely. Why not? So, hi everyone. I am Misbah Ali. You can call me teacher, you can call me ma'am, but I would love to be called as a storyteller. And today I'm here to tell you a story. a story about a little duckling. So I tell stories to kids, I tell stories to adults also. So you along with your parents can sit for this session and enjoy a story session with me. So are we waiting for some more students to join?
Yes, hello,
Uh,
welcome, ma'am. Give me 2 minutes. I think most of the kids are here. I think we just have one more kid. It's a small team of 90
yes.
students. I didn't want to invite any more students, so you know these are the kids that we teach every day. For all of you out there, and Misbah ma'am is an author, a creative language teacher, a storyteller, and a founder of EduSpring. I love the name EduSpring, Misbah ma'am. How did you come up with such a lovely name?
So I had come up with so many names before Edu Spring. I wanted to add the word education to my brand name, but definitely something which shows growth, a beautiful season, and definitely spring is a very positive word. All the flowers bloom, so all these kids that you see are little flowers who are blooming under my umbrella of education. So we decided to name it as EduSpring Fun Learning.
Wow, I think please take over. It's your class. I'm excited along with the kids, so it's all yours. Go ahead, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for giving such a lovely introduction. Thank you very much. Okay, so they are all now in. They are all in now.
Yes, only one student. I think so. She's
It's
left,
not in
Muspira
Bible
Sayed.
either.
I will call her. It's all right. You can start the session.
Okay, so I'm a co-host, right? I'm able to
Yes,
operate.
yes, yes.
Now, all of you, please allow me to put you all on mute. Reason being that I want everyone to hear me carefully. Okay? So, who is Khatija Kazi and Mustafa Kazi? I cannot see them. So, yes. Okay, Mustafa, I can see you now. And Khatija Kazi. So, we are just going to discuss a few rules before we begin. My first rule is I should be able to see all of you. Because if I'm not able to see you, how will I come to know if you're not able to listen or not able to understand? So everyone is going to keep their videos on. Yes, you have such beautiful faces. So let me see that. Very good. Second, if I ask you a question, you are going to raise your hand, and if you know the answer, you're going to do this. Let me see how you're going to nod your head. If you know the answer, yes, yes, with a smile. Very good. When you know the answer, we are excited, right? So you should say yes. And when you don't know the answer or you don't understand what am I asking, you are going to do this. Come on, let me see that action. I don't know, ma'am. Okay. And your videos have to be on. You have to be on mute. Everyone gets a chance to talk to me and answer my questions, provided we go by the rules. Okay. So before I begin telling you the story, I'm going to play a game with you. And this game is called as What Do You See? Okay. What do you see? Now God has given us two eyes to see and observe so many things. And in this game, I'm going to ask you, each one of you, to tell me two things that you can see. But where? I'm going to ask you different places. For example, I can tell you, Zainab, tell me two things that you can see in a garden. So Zainab is going to unmute. Wait. So then Zainab is going to unmute and tell me two things quickly she can see in a garden. Okay? Everyone has gone to the garden. So any two things. She can say a slide. She can say a swing. She can say trees. She can say children. Any two things. Right? So if I say, Umema, tell me two things that you see in your bedroom. So Umema is going to think and say, teacher, I can see a bed and I can see a cupboard. So it can be any two things. I'm going to ask you from anywhere. You have to think and answer. So are you all ready to answer my questions? Excited? And at the end of the session, everyone gets a chance to ask me also questions. Okay? Okay, because I think you all are very intelligent and even you all can question me. But at the end, beginning with the game, I'm going to ask you all. Ready? So I will go in this order. First, I'm going to ask Zainab, Manha Rajput, then Musfira, Mustafa, Umema.
Musfira Rizwani. Musfira Rizwani.
Okay, there are two Musfiras. Okay.
Yes.
First, I'm going to ask Musfira Sayyad and then Musfira Rizwani. Okay. And then Khatija comes last. Okay. And then there's Umar also. So here we begin. And it's going to be a very quick game. So be ready to unmute and answer. Okay. Everyone knows.
You tell that
Ma'am.
first, then
My device is on and offing, so I can't see the screen.
You cannot see me, Mustafa.
I can see you, but my device is offing and on
Okay.
like that.
So, Mustafa, do you have a charger? Is your battery low, mobile battery low, your device?
Yes.
Okay, so why don't you keep your device somewhere? For the story session, you cannot go here and there. You'll have to sit comfortably somewhere. Very good, Mustafa. Very good. Somewhere. Okay, thank you. So here I begin with my game. You have to be quick, unmute and answer. Zainab, unmute. Tell me two things that you see in your living room. In your living room.
I see a mobile and a basket.
Okay, a mobile and a basket is there in Zainab's living room. Okay. Manha Rajput. Manha, unmute. Manha, tell me two things that you can see in the sky. In the sky, what can we see in the sky? Two things.
Sun, eagle.
Wow, sun and eagle. That's a good answer. Musfira Sayyad.
Parrot.
Musfira Sayyad, it's your turn now. Tell me two things that you can see in your bathroom. What do we see in the bathroom? Two things.
A toilet and best spray.
A spray and toilet. Okay, fair enough. Good answer.
Sorry, in bathroom there is a mug and a bucket for bathing.
Very good. There's a bucket. What else? Second.
There is a shower
Very
and
good.
soap.
Good answer. Good answer. Very good. No one is allowed to talk in others' chance. Mustafa Kazi, unmute.
Then I, Musfira Sayyed, then I.
Yes, Musfira, then you. Okay, Mustafa Kazi, tell me two things that you can see in the refrigerator. What can you see in the refrigerator?
juice
Juice. Okay.
and watermelon.
Juice and watermelon. Very good answer, Mustafa. Musfira Rizwani, it's your turn. Tell me two things that you see in your kitchen. In your kitchen.
A gas
A gas.
and a biscuit.
Okay, biscuits and a gas. Very correct. And Umema Patel now. Umema Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Umema, tell me two things that you see in a garden. A garden.
Tree and grass.
Tree and grass. That was very quick. Umar, unmute Umar. Umar, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me two things that you can see in your building. In your building. What are the two things that you can see in a building?
And floors.
Very good answer, Umar. That was very quick. Now last is Khatija Kazi. Khatija.
Ma'am, and window also we can see.
That's very correct, Muspira. Muspira wants to give an answer.
And floors.
That's correct, Muspira. Now Khatija Kazi, unmute.
Ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. Khatija's turn, huh? She's last. Khatija, tell me two things that you can see inside a bag. Inside, do you have a bag to keep your book? So what can you see inside your bag?
I can see.
Ma'am, you already gave the answer.
I can see a book and a pouch.
A pouch and a book. Yes, that's absolutely correct. And Manha wants to say something. Yes, Manha?
What? Drawing book and colors.
Yes. So I think Musfira liked my game a lot. She wants to give many answers. Okay. So this is a game which you can play. Yes, Manha?
What does Omar say?
Umar's question was about a building. What can he see in a building? So I think he said floor and I think he said house.
No, terrace.
Terrace and floors. Yes.
I have three terraces.
You have 3 terrace.
Two up and one my home.
1 terrace in your house. So is it a balcony?
Yes.
Okay. So now some of you children, y'all are shaking your screen. I think y'all are holding the phone in your hand. Can y'all keep it somewhere? Can y'all just keep it somewhere? And
Now I'm sitting on a laptop and I'm not moving it.
yes, because you know what happens? Imagine if I start moving like this. Would you like it?
No.
Our eyes start becoming like this. I cannot see. Yes. Very good. Yes, Manha.
My mama make blocks stand for me for mobiles.
Okay, that's very nice. So sweet of your mummy. And now I'm going to begin with my story. So now we just remember our rules again. We do not have to unmute. We will only unmute when I ask you some question. And if you know the answer, you can raise your hand and then you can unmute. In between, if you cannot understand anything, you can raise your hand. Yes, if you don't have an answer, you do this. But if you cannot understand or you cannot hear me, you can say, you can just raise your hand like this. And then I can see you and I'll stop. Okay? So everyone is on mute now and only your storyteller, Misbah ma'am, is allowed to talk because she's going to tell you a story. So here I begin. Everyone is on mute. Yes. Everyone in comfortable position. Very good. So long years ago, there was a beautiful park with greenery. There was a huge pond around with fresh water and fishes swimming inside the pond. Now, around the pond lived many ducks. And one day, a duck laid an egg, a white color, big egg. And she loved her egg. She was, yes, Manha?
Around the pot, what does you say?
Okay, okay. I will repeat again, okay? Give me a minute, 1 second. Can you hear me now? Much better? Yes? So, long years ago, there was a beautiful park with green trees around a pond. Okay, we all know what's a pond. A pond is filled with water. Some fishes swimming inside the pond in the water, and the pond had green trees around, and there were many ducks staying around the pond. There were many families of ducks, quack, 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 ducks, staying around, living around the pond. Now, one day, a mummy duck laid an egg. An egg. This egg was very special to mummy duck. All the mummies love their ducklings, isn't it? Your mummies love you too.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
You have to wait, okay, Musfira? So all the mummy ducks love their eggs. Why? Because, yes. What happened?
Ma'am, I know this story. This is about the ugly duckling.
No, it's not about the ugly duckling. You have to wait. Okay? I'm going to listen to all of you, but at the end of the story. Because if we keep talking in between, we are going to get disturbed and we are going to forget where the story is going. Okay? Okay? So I want you to wait and listen to the story. This is a story which you have never heard before. Why? Because I have written the story and it's never told before. I have specially got this story to tell you today. Okay? So the mummy duck loved the little egg and she was waiting for the little duckling to come out of the egg. Mummy duckling and daddy duckling both were waiting for the little baby duckling to come out. And one night, when Mummy and Daddy Duckling were sleeping, they heard a sound. Crippity crip, crack, crack, crack. Where was the sound coming from? Now the egg had started to shake and break and crack. Can you see the egg? Ah, the mummy duckling woke up. Mummy duckling said, I think the baby duckling is slowly trying to come out. And who is this cute little one? The egg has opened up, and the cute little baby duckling came out of the egg. She was smiling when she saw her mummy, and Mummy Duck felt so happy and excited. Daddy and Mummy hugged little duckling. Can you see the little baby duckling? Yes? Now
Yes.
the baby duckling has come out of the egg. But there is something very different about this duckling. Can you see something different on his face? Can you notice?
Her one eye is closed.
Anything else?
No, nothing.
Okay.
No, there's not an eye over here.
Yes. So you are absolutely correct. Baby ducklings, one eye was shut. It was closed. So Mummy Duckling tried to, using her beak, she tried to open it. But there was no eyes. Little baby duckling had only one eye, and one eye was closed. Now Mummy Duckling thought that because he's a small baby, his one eye is closed. Maybe when he will grow up, he'll get an other eye. Now every day, the little duckling used to play with Mummy and Daddy Duckling. Few days passed by, but little duckling's second eye never ever opened. He had only one eye, and because of which the little duckling always felt a little sad. But Mummy and Daddy Duck loved the baby duck a lot. And do you know what they named him? They named him Bumble. His name was Bumble, and Bumble is very famous for
What is
one
name?
eye.
What is
His name
What is name?
His name is Bumble. Bumble. Okay? Now, Bumble
Okay.
is a very cute duck. He's just like other little ducks in that particular part, but he cannot see with one eye. But he can see with the second eye. Huh? With this eye, he can see, but not with this eye because there is no eyes. He can play, he can jump, he can hop, he can eat, he can do quack, 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 like all the other ducks. But when this little duck was growing up and growing up and growing up, and when he became a big duck, no, he did not become a big duck. He still remained a tiny duck with just one eye. All his other friends were growing big, big and bigger. every day. But Bumble was still a tiny little duck. He was not growing up like all the other ducks. But Mummy Duck and Daddy Duck said, Bumble, it's okay. You look very cute and tiny with just one eye. But Bumble used to always feel sad about it. He said, no, I don't look like other ducks. All my other friends are so big, big and bigger. And they can all swim in the water. And they can all run so fast. I'm so tiny. And I cannot see with one eye. And every day, Bumble used to feel sad, sad and sad. Now one day, Bumble went out to play with the other ducks. He had some friends, but they used to make fun of Bumble. They all said, oh look who's coming! Oh look who's coming! Little Bumble, good for nothing. He cannot do anything. He cannot even swim. He has such tiny feathers. He cannot even run. He's so slow. Now Bumble felt very sad. He was very depressed. And so he went back home. He told his mummy, Mummy, why am I not like the other ducks? All my friends can swim so well. They all look so good. Why am I born with just one eye? And Mummy said, Bumble, because you are so special. We love you so much. But that was not convincing. Bumble wanted to do something so that his friends should stop laughing at him every day. So now Bumble decided that now I'm going to do something and my friends will clap and they will say, Bumble, you're the best. So Bumble went out in the park and he was thinking, what should I do? What should I do? I should do something.
Ma'am, what is conversing meaning?
I cannot hear you properly. Umema,
What
can you?
is conversing meaning?
Yes, it is not conversing. I said the word convincing. So convincing means Mummy Duck tried to make little Bumble understand that Bumble, you are a cute little duck and you don't need to, do something to make everyone happy. You are already a very cute and a beautiful little duckling. But he did not get convinced. He said, no, 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 I cannot understand. I want to do something which is going to make everyone clap and shout for me. So he did not get convinced. He did not understand, Umema. Okay? And he went out to the park.
Ma'am, tell again. Ma'am,
Who is that? Okay, now I'll continue with the story. Now he went into the park and he was thinking, what should I do? What should I do to make everyone happy? So he saw a crane. Do you know what's a crane? A crane is a tall bird with a long beak. They are white color birds and they are very fast at catching fishes. So Bumble saw a family of cranes. He saw that the cranes are going up in the sky. They are flying up very, 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 very fast. And then they are coming down, zoop, and they are catching the fish, zoop, and they are flying away. So Bumble said, yes, maybe I can do this. And he called out to his friends, hey, other ducks, Hey friends, come on, come on. I'm going to go high up in the sky and come down and catch a fish. Today I'm going to show y'all how I go up in the sky. And then all his friends gathered. Bumble tried to flutter up in the sky with his tiny wings up, 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 and tried to come down. But he lost his balance. Ha, 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 ha. And third, he came down in the water. He couldn't catch the fish, and zoop, he went inside the water. Now all his friends started laughing at him. Look at him. He said he would catch a fish. He can't even swim. Bumble is the tiniest duck. He is good for nothing. Now Bumble was sad. He was crying. He was sobbing, and he went back home. But the other day he came back and he said, today I'm going to do something. My friends are going to clap for me. So he started looking for something, and he heard a voice. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. He started looking. Where is this noise coming from? Tap, 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 tap. And he looked up on the tree. There was a woodpecker. You all know what's a woodpecker, right? They have sharp beak and they can make holes in the tree trunk. So a woodpecker was sitting and making a hole in the tree. Let me see how you do it. Can you sit like a woodpecker? And do this with me. Tap, 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 tap. So Bumble got really excited. He said, I'm going to go up on the tree and make some holes in the tree. And I'm going to show my friends I can do better than this woodpecker. So he called out his friends. Hey, come on, come on. I'm climbing up on the tree. Today I'm going to show y'all how I can make a hole in the woods. And then his friends gathered to see what is Bumble going to do next. So Bumble climbed up on the tree somehow, and he sat on a branch and tried to make a hole in the tree. Tap, tap, tap. But he couldn't because he did not have a beak as sharp as a woodpecker. But then he tried harder and harder and harder and faster and faster and faster. And he lost his balance. He lost his grip and he fell down. Third, again came down Bumble from the tree. And he was all dirty in the mud. And his friends were laughing at him. Bumble, you will never understand. You are the tiniest little duck. You don't have a beak like a woodpecker to make holes in the wood. Go away, we don't want to see you. Now Bumble was very sad. He felt he's good for nothing. He cannot do anything. And they always made fun of him because he had one eye. He was so sad, he went back home. Now next day, Bumble said, today I will do something which is going to make my friends happy and they are going to clap for me. So again he started looking. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? And then he saw two. What is this? Can anyone tell me?
Rabbit.
Okay, rabbit.
Mouse.
Who
Mouse.
else?
Mouse.
Yes. Squirrel.
Mice.
Who
Two
said
mice.
squirrel?
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Squirrel. Two squirrels were climbing up on the tree, breaking nuts, and they were coming down and gathering some nuts for their dinner. So now Bumble went to these squirrels. Hey squirrels, what are you all doing? Squirrel said, We are going up on that tree and we are breaking some nuts and coming down. So Bumble said, can I also try? I also have sharp teeth. I can also go up and break nuts and bring it down. Wait, wait, let me call my friends. So Bumble again shouted, hey ducks, hey my friends, come, come. Today I'm going to show you all how to break nuts from the trees. See how I'm going to do it. I can do it better than the squirrels. And then Bumble tried to go up fast on the tree. He tried to climb on the tree like the squirrels. Fast, 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 fast. And before he could reach on the top of the tree, he again lost his balance and he went down. And this time he broke his beak. He hurt himself. He was shouting and crying in pain. Help me, I'm hurt. My beak is paining. And Bumble's mummy came running and took Bumble home. Now Bumble had finally given up. He said, Mummy, I'm good for nothing. I'm the tiniest duck with just one eye. I cannot see things properly. I cannot do anything. And I'm never going out of the house and playing with any duck. So the other morning, Bumble did not go out of the house. He was quietly sitting in his window and looking outside. He could hear his friends playing in the water in the pond. And then he heard a voice. Help! Help! Somebody help! Help! And then he heard many ducks shouting, quack, 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 help, help, help! Quack, 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 help, help, help! Quack, 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 help, help, help! Now Bumble realized that someone is shouting for help. He came out of his house and ran towards the pond. And to his surprise, he saw many ducks gathered around a tree and they were all shouting, help, 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 help. Now what has happened? Bumble squeakingly went inside and he saw a mummy duck crying and sobbing. Not Bumble's mummy. And other duckling's mummy was crying, help! Someone help! My little baby duckling is stuck in a hole in a big tree. So there was a big tree and there was a big hole inside that tree. And a baby duckling had gone in that hole and it was stuck. So mummy duck was crying, help me, can someone help me? But no one could help because the hole was so small. No one could get the baby duckling out of it. So Bumble said, can I try? I am very tiny. Maybe I can go inside and remove the baby duckling out of that hole. So the other duck said, you? Bumble, you are good for nothing and you have come here to help us. But Mummy Duck said, no, wait. Let him help if he can. So now Bumble climbed up on that tree trunk and went inside the hole. And with his beak, he caught the baby duckling and tried.
But ma'am, his beak got broke when he fell from the tree.
His beak was not broken. His beak just went a little crooked because he was hurt, isn't it? It did not break, Umema. So now he tried and removed the baby duckling out of the hole. And when he removed the baby duckling out of the hole, that baby duckling's mummy was so happy. And Bumble saw that all the other ducks are now clapping for Bumble. Finally, Bumble was so happy and excited because he has done something. He has saved someone's life. He always thought he is good for nothing. But today he helped a small little baby duckling to come out of the hole. Nobody could help that baby duckling, but it was Bumble, the duck with one eye, who helped the little baby duckling to come out of the hole. So everyone was clapping for Bumble now. And they said, Bumble, you are a hero. You have saved a small little duckling. And everyone clapped for Bumble. Bumble felt so happy about his own self that day. He said, yes, yes, of course I can do so many things. All these days I was trying to do something which the others were good at. Now I know I can also do something. And then everyone clapped for Bumble. So don't you think we should also clap for him?
I
He
am
did a good thing,
clapping.
right?
I am
I can
clapping.
see that. I want each one of you to clap for Bumble and for what he did. And here the story ends when Bumble realized that he is good for a lot and lot of things. And now I'm going to talk to all of you and give you a chance to talk to me.
Ma'am, first
Yes.
first.
Okay, okay,
What's the
Musfira.
story
Okay.
about? What's the story about?
One. So now, Musfira, you are going to tell me what did you learn from this story. Each one of you will tell me what did you like about this story and what did you learn about from the story. What did you learn about this?
I
From this
like.
Musfira Rizwani. Okay, Musfira Rizwani. Yes,
I
Musfira. What
like
did
that Bumble put it out the small baby in the hole.
so you like what Bumble did, right?
Yes.
And what
Yes.
else did you learn?
And his friends also clapping and I like that also.
So very nice. Thank you, Musfira. You were clapping at the end very nicely for the little duck. And Musfira Sayyad, what did you learn from this story, Musfira Sayyad?
I learned that we should do not think that we are only not working for anything. We should just think. We should do not think like that. I'm not the best. Everyone else can do anything. I can't. We should also try some things and not give up.
Very good message. We should try and not give up is the message from Musfira Sayyad and Manha Rajput. Please tell me, what's your message? What did you learn?
Don't tell anybody that I'm only best. Others is also best.
Wow, that is such a beautiful message, Manha. You should never think you are the best. You should also say that others are also good. Very nice, Manha. Umema, what's your observation? What do you think about this story?
I thought first it would be the same story, the ugly duck, but it was very nice. It was very nice, and his mother duck and his mother and his father also told, no, you are small, so it's not that you can't do anything. You can also do things.
Very good. So Umaima says it's a different story and his parents are very, very motivating. And now,
Ma'am,
Zainab,
I
wait,
want to say something of
Mus-
the duck.
wait, Musfira, I'll give you a chance. Zainab, quickly tell me what did you learn from this story, Zainab? Zainab, wait.
I learned from this story you should never give up and you should try hard.
You should try hard. Very good. And who do you like from this story? Who's your favorite character?
Bumble.
Bumble. Thank you so much, Zainab, for giving this
Favorite
message.
Bumble, the small baby.
Thank you, Musfira and Ali. Ali, please tell me, what did you learn from the story, Ali?
Ali?
Ali, can you unmute?
Yes, we want to try things.
Very good. Anything else apart from trying things?
We want to not think we are only good and anybody is not very good.
Very good. And now I want, who's left to answer? Khatija. Khatija. Now everyone can see Khatija, right? Khatija, please tell me what's your message?
Khatija and Mustafa.
Favorite character is Bumble
Yes.
and
What do you learn from the story?
I learned from the story Bumble rescued a baby duck from a hole.
Very good. Very good. So, thank you very much, all of you, for sharing what you. Who's left? Who's left?
I want to say.
Yes, Musfira Rizwani.
We don't want to think I am loser. We want to think I can do hard work and I can be healthy.
Very good. Very nice message, Musfira Rizwani. We should not think.
And
Yes.
I go to picnic now. Then there is water and there is slide, big slide, and there is duck also, big black and white duck. He comes in my room.
Okay.
comes
So
my-
now, before I leave, I have to make you do a very small activity, but I'm going to ask your ma'am that do we have time or do they have another class?
They don't have any other class, Misbah ma'am, but as it is a flipped classroom, so they have just one class for 45 minutes.
Okay. So we have to end right now. Okay.
But Ms.
So
Ma'am,
I'm
I
going to-
love the Bumblebee so much that I thought I'll just capture Bumblebee and show you a picture of this Bumblebee. She's grown so much. So there she is. Or was it a he?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
Can
exactly.
you all see this? Is it Bumble?
You can see one eye for sure.
Yes,
Oh.
one eye Bumble. We cannot see the other eye, right? So that's Bumble, definitely. It is.
But
I'm going
Bumble
to give
is
you
white
two
in color.
activities. I'm going to give you two activities before I go.
He had, but he had 2 eyes. I can see.
Yes.
little
They really love your
black.
story, Ms. Ma'am. Shazia, you take over. I go for this Mandela class.
Yeah.
Ms. Ma'am, I'll catch up with you later.
Yes,
Misbah ma'am, it was
okay.
really fantastic, and kids really enjoyed your story. I could see the messages like it's wow, it was very nice story. It was wonderful, ma'am,
Thank you very much.
to
I
listen to
Have
your
an
just
story.
activity. Yeah, go ahead, Ms.
Yeah,
Ma'am. Go
please.
ahead for the activity.
to
I like mommy and daddy and
Musfira, let
Bombay.
ma'am speak. I'll leave Shazia, you both take over, right? I'll
Yes,
take over.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay,
Wow.
you have to do two activities, okay? We are not going to do it together. Y'all are going to do it and send me the picture, okay? Let me see. So the first activity is very simple.
Wow.
You have to draw Bumble. Everyone likes drawing. Everyone likes drawing and coloring. So I'm not going to teach you how to draw a duck. You have to draw with your own imagination. A pond, some trees, and Bumble. Bumble with your own imagination. But Bumble should have only one eye because he had only one eye, right? So you will draw a Bumble, color it nicely and send the pictures to Shazia ma'am so that she can send it to me. And your second activity is you are going to take a paper, cut it into a shape, any shape. You can cut it into a flower shape, you can cut it into a heart shape, you can cut it into any shape, a round shape, a square shape, and you will write 3 things about yourself that you love. Any 3 things. So for example, if I have to write, I will write I love my hair because they are so beautiful and long. I love my smile because it is so bright. And
I love my mom and I love my daddy and
you can
love
write anything.
myself.
You can write anything. You can write about your body, you can write about your eyes, nose, hands, fingers, your dresses, anything that you like and love which belongs to you, your family members, your toys. You can write 3 things, 4 things, or even 5 things. But look around yourself and look inside you. There are so many things you can do and you should love, and write it on that paper and stick it somewhere and look at it every day and think that wow, I have so many beautiful things within me and around me. Okay, whenever you feel sad or little sad,
Ma'am, I I paint the bumble and that
you can paint a Bumble, you can even make a craft Bumble, you can make it with a craft paper also. That's also okay. But making a Bumble and writing good things about you, everyone will do that. Okay? And now Shazia ma'am, you can take over.
Yeah. It's just their time, like, this is just flipped
I understand.
classroom. So I end the meet. Is it all right?
Yes.
Kids, did you enjoy the story?
Bye
Please give me a
bye.
thumbs up before you leave. No, I want a thumbs up
Bye.
from you all if you love the story. Yes. Show thumbs up to Misbah ma'am. Quickly. Yes. Everybody loved the
Bye.
story. Bye, everyone.
Bye all of you. Bye.
Bye, Misbah ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.